Cheers. What's up, everybody? Tania I here with my friend Karen Atunes, and we are trying out Sangre De Tigre Michelada mix. Sangre De Tigre was awesome enough to give Karen a set of 5 different michelada mixes, one of them being a Bloody Mary mix. So you're gonna get to see us try this out early, 8:30 in the morning on a Monday, okay? So yes, we get drunk for you to make sure that your weekend will be good with a good michelada mix that you can have at home at your disposal, and that it has to be absolutely perfect. So check out our reactions, and thanks so much for watching. Have you ever made a michelada before?
I have.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you usually put in your michelada?
I usually put hot sauce, tomato juice, or clamato. And then I can't even say this, Worcestershire sauce?
Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah. And I like to put lemon or lime in it and shake it up and then pour it into the beer, because I feel like it kind of mixes the flavors together. Sometimes I will add a little bit of salt and pepper, but that's about it. Okay. And then the celery and all the, all the good stuff.
All right, so we're gonna go with that. This is like the most perfect michelada blend in a bottle that could possibly use, because that's what they're marketing it as, right? Yes. All right.
And then the serve, I guess you just mix, well, I guess it depends on which one you use, but it's 1 ounce for every 12 ounces of beer. So how much is a regular? We'll get a beer.
12 ounces, and we need some ice, huh?
Yeah, I'll get some ice right now.
Meanwhile, I'll just sip and wait.
Right. So we have the ice, we have the chamoy, the tajin, we got some celery with limes and pepperoni, and we have the beer there. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let's try this out.
Okay.
So let's, you want to dip that one out and we'll switch it off?
Me and Karen have no idea how to trade off. Like, imagine, like, we make horrible, like, tag team lesbians. Like,
it's my turn.
I told you to get the double-ended one.
That wasn't long enough, man.
Greedy.
All right, these are looking good already.
Yep. Presentation is key. Remember that.
So, which one do you think we should try first?
I think we should go with the one that says michelada.
Yeah? Which one was that one? This michelada blend. Oh, they also have michelada blend.
Wait, and look, it has a little...
Oh, Bloody Mary blend. Oh, I see. Michelada.
Ooh, Savage Red. This one's called Savage Red. What is this one called? Fiery Rojo. This one is Let's Burn on My Bunghole. Let's do this one.
Okay.
This one looks like this has a nice mix of Worcestershire.
Worcestershire?
Yeah. So,
okay. So first, let's put some ice in there. That's good enough, I think. And then we should do the beer.
I think it's the michelada first.
Yeah. How do we measure this?
Actually, that's too much ice.
Is it?
Yeah. Hold on. Let's pour it back. It's okay. This is all part of the journey. Good.
Okay.
All right, and then
so I feel, I put too much ice. That's what they train you at the bar when you're bartending. You have to fill that shit up with ice.
Oh yeah, so then that way, less bang for their buck.
Yes.
So throw that in there.
So I'm gonna guess what an ounce would be like. So let's move these. Let's see. I want to smell it too. Ooh. Sealed. For our protection. Oh, I shook it up already. I can do it again just to make sure. Let me take all the paper out first, or else we're gonna make a mess.
I love your top, by the way.
Thank you so much.
I like that too.
You like it?
Right.
Touch it more. Okay. Ooh, you can definitely smell the Worcestershire. Okay, see? So an ounce would be that much?
Yeah, but go a little bit more.
What if we make more? Oh my god, we should mix them. Okay.
Mix them and see what it's like. Okay.
The first one we'll have, I guess, regular, right? And then we'll get
crazy.
Crazy after.
Oh, you're pouring the beer correctly. Remember I told you about the beer? Remember that if you pour it straight in like that, you kill the oxygen, so the oxygen doesn't go in your panza. That's how you can drink beer. It's been a while since we drank together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we put the whole beer in there? We're gonna finish it up. Oh my god, we should have had like people come over like, hey, here's free beer.
You want a beer or a taste tester? And then shall we use a celery stick to mix it around? There you go.
Oh, I also brought a straw too. Oh, we're supposed to put lime in there too. I'm just gonna mix it.
Well, they look pretty.
They do.
All right, ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
That's
Girl.
That's good.
I have to say, I'm pleasantly, I was not expecting a michelada to taste that good.
That's pretty good.
Out of a bottle?
And you know what? You didn't use that much.
No.
Only an ounce. That's a lot of flavor.
We used like a little ounce and then like a little more. And it gave it has great flavor. Like perfect zing to it, huh?
Yeah. Oh, I like it. Okay. Are we gonna chug this or are we gonna Ooh. Going? Like, I love my job.
Would you like your hors d'oeuvre?
Oh, sure. Thank you, darling. Thank you.
Made by Karen.
Just need a little garnish like this. Oh, mira. Fancy.
Look at that.
That's pretty good.
Look at living the lavish life at 9:30 in the morning. I love it.
That's really good. Okay, that one was the original blend. It's the original one. You wanna try this? What is this one?
Girl, flavor.
Red blend. It's probably spicy. Oh no, this one's spicy. Fire rojo. You wanna try that one next? Should we make it smaller though?
Yeah, let's make smaller. Because girl, I signed up to try micheladas, not going to a drinking contest. Imagine? I was like, I told them I'd be in at work at noon.
Okay, so that was one. That one's really good. I like that one. Now, let's go ahead and do another one. What's our fancy glasses?
I like this challenge, girl. I gotta tell you, this pepperoni right here. Have you ever made a homemade pizza?
Yes, I have.
Homemade pizza? Pepperoni pizza.
I have the little cauliflower crust, or cauliflower, yeah, instead of the dough, cauliflower. It took me 3 times to get it right, but it came out so good.
You know what I use? Biscuit dough.
Oh, so it's like chewier, maybe more softer, huh?
Softer, crisp. It's more croissant dough, right?
Yeah.
Wait, was it croissant or biscuit? One of those
Isn't
feels
this
very
like very similar?
Very similar.
Okay, this is the next one. This is rojo blend. I'll shook it up for you.
That was delicious.
It's really good. Okay.
We're not here.
If we were to fill these up to 12 ounces, I think we'll be done after the second one. All right. Wow, I like this one.
What is?
But it's not really spicy. Maybe hits later.
I like the other one.
I like this one, it's good.
As a matter of fact, excuse me, Karen.
You mix it up.
We're breaking the rules. We're breaking the rules.
I wonder. We should probably try it by themselves too, huh?
You know what? You want some of this beer?
Yeah. Oh, I actually have some more here. Yeah, I have some more here. Thank you. So, do you think that the beer that you choose for a michelada makes a difference?
It does.
Yeah. Which one do you usually get?
I usually use Negra Modelo. Like, there's something about the Negra that mixes in with the tomato flavor, the clamato. It like blends the clamato out. But I have had, this is the first michelada I've had with Modelo that tastes perfect.
Cool. Nice.
Like, and I say that in like, especially with this mix and this combination together.
It works. Savage Red Blend.
Oh.
Cheers.
Okay.
That's good.
Is this like the Worcester and the red one mixed together?
That's really good. That one has actually this one seems spicier than the other one.
That's like birria michelada, right?
That's good. Okay, we tried these already. The next one, Sangre Pura. Oh, there's a Bloody Mary mix though. You want to try it? No?
We'll try that at the end.
Okay. This is the celery blend.
Uh-oh. Maybe. Maybe we'll try the Bloody Mary blend first.
Yeah?
No, just kidding.
This one looks rich. Okay. Just chill.
Damn! I was not expecting that.
That is good.
Fucking bomb.
That's my favorite. The celery one.
What? Oh
Okay.
my god.
I'm gonna have them with this one. The celery one is really good. Oh yeah. And then this is the Bloody Mary one. Oh, that's really good.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Really good. Here's the Bloody Mary one. Cheers. How's your stomach? That's good. The celery one though.
Yeah.
Is my favorite.
That's the one for
That's
me.
really good. Maybe we could do the celery and the regular mixed together.
I think the celery, I think the celery is a combination of all of them.
You think so?
It's bomb. It's like,
Oh, that's really good.
I want to do that. I want to do that again.
Here, let me get you. You want to make a drink or you want to use a shot? I'm going to put mine in here. It's really,
we can do that, huh?
Yeah, it's really interesting. Like you only need 1 ounce. So 1 beer, 1 ounce.
Ah, damn. Hit me. Hit me.
That's really good.
Dude, this is absolutely delicious.
Yeah.
Can you tell by my slur?
We have not been drinking more than what you've seen.
Right? Take number 18.
Really good. All right, conclusions?
I think our work here is done.
Yeah.
That was delicious.
My favorite one, definitely the celery.
Yeah. Sangre de Tigre Michelada mix. Amazing.
So good. Highly recommend. I'm gonna link it somewhere.
Yeah.
So y'all can visit if you want to try it out. I recommend the celery one. They're all, and the original one is really good too.
Thank you, Sangre de Tigre, for gifting Karen with this beautiful gift set.
Yes, thank you.
That gets me to try it out too. So yay!
Now it's more of an excuse to drink. So
yes.
All right. Let's kill it. All
right. And if you guys want to send us more stuff to open up, we'll put our info at the end. Thank you so much.